If you're considering using Orion Property Management software, here are 12 key things you need to know before making your decision. While it offers some great features, it's important to know how it stacks up against its competitors to ensure it fits your needs. First, Orion Property Management is a solid choice for managing multiple properties. It offers a central dashboard that can help streamline your day-to-day tasks, but keep in mind, it might not be as user-friendly as some of the top competitors in the market. Unlike others, you may find the learning curve a bit steeper, so be prepared to spend time getting familiar with the interface. Next thing to consider is the pricing structure. Orion is generally affordable, but their tiered pricing can quickly become expensive if you need additional features. In comparison, other property management software may offer more flexible plans or even flat rate pricing, which could be more beneficial depending on your portfolio size. The third thing is its customer support. Orion provides decent customer support, but when compared to competitors like Buildium, who have 24/7 availability, you might find yourself waiting for responses during off hours. Depending on how urgent your property management needs are, this could be a deal breaker. The fourth thing to know is its mobile capabilities. Orion does offer a mobile app, but it's limited in features. If you're managing properties on the go, apps from other services like AppFolio are much more robust, giving you more control and access from anywhere. Fifth, Orion supports integration with third-party applications, but the selection is somewhat limited. If you rely on other software for accounting, marketing, or leasing, you may want to check if those integrations are available or if you'll need to invest in custom setups. Next, while Orion allows you to handle tenant communications, the tools are basic compared to what competitors like Rentec Direct offer. Features like automated tenant reminders, personalized messaging, and even a tenant portal are more advanced elsewhere. The seventh thing is its reporting features. Orion provides some basic reports, but if you need more in-depth analysis or customization, other software might offer more powerful reporting tools. Competitors like Propertyware offer detailed financial reports and more extensive analytics to help you track everything down to the last detail. Eighth, Orion's online payment system is secure, but not as seamless as some competitors. Payment options can be cumbersome, and the user interface may not be as intuitive as other solutions, leading to frustration for both tenants and property managers. Next, the property management features are strong, but they may not be as comprehensive as other platforms like Rentec or Buildium, which offer features like maintenance ticketing and full-service accounting. With Orion, you may have to rely on third-party services or additional manual work for these tasks. The 10th thing is its scalability. While Orion is suitable for small to medium-sized portfolios, it might not be the best option if you're looking to scale up significantly. Competitors with enterprise-level solutions may provide more features that help larger property managers grow efficiently. 11th, Orion offers a limited number of templates and customization options. If branding or customizing your client interface is a priority, this might be a concern. Other platforms give you more flexibility to tweak designs and create a branded experience for your tenants. Finally, Orion provides a decent amount of security for your data, but it may not have the same robust measures that top competitors do. Companies like Buildium and AppFolio have advanced security protocols in place, which could be crucial if you're dealing with sensitive tenant data. In conclusion, Orion Property Management offers a good suite of features for property managers, especially those with smaller portfolios. However, it may not be the best choice if you're looking for more flexibility, better customer support, or advanced reporting. It's a solid option, but if you want a better solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free.